Hi everyone, we're going to find a coterminal angle that is in between 360 degrees, between 0 and 360 degrees. So we want to find some alpha angle. I don't like to use alpha, I'm going to use theta, and 360 degrees. And we have to state the quadrant in which the terminal side lies. And basically what you're going to do, you're just going to be adding 360 until you get in between here. Or you're going to subtract 360 until it gets in there. Add or subtract. The professional way would be more like, and I'm not going to, you can take your 400, divide it by 360, which is approximately 1.11. That means we're just going to subtract 360 once. So we're going to do 4, and you can kind of tell, minus 360 degrees, and that gives you 40 degrees. And we know 40 degrees is in quadrant 1. Okay? Now in this case, it's negative, so I'm going to add 360, and I'm only going to add it once. You can tell by looking, we're just going to add the 360 degrees. And that's going to give you 80 degrees. And that is also in quadrant 1. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and show you if you divide 940 by 360, that's going to be approximately 2.61. So basically you're going to subtract 360 twice, because we're in the 2 rotations, it's above the 2. So basically I'm just going to take 2 times 360, and if you can just know that's 720, and that's going to give you 220 degrees, which is in quadrant 3. And again, what you can do is you can just keep subtracting 360 until you get in between here. This one, I'm going to subtract. If I divide this by 360, that's close to 3 rotations, but not quite. So basically, I'm going to subtract 720 degrees, and that's going to give you 339 degrees, which is in quadrant 4. And on this one, since it's negative, you can go ahead and divide here. That's negative 1.73. That means we're going to actually, I'm going to go ahead and add 360 to this. And we add 360, that's still going to give us a negative angle. It's not going to be in between 3 and 360, so I'm going to multiply this by 2 degrees. And then you'll get, this is 624, so that's going to give you 96 degrees. And 96 degrees is in quadrant 2. And for the last one, we have 360. We're going to take negative 989 and keep adding 360. So when you add 360, or if I add 720, you notice that that's not going to make it. So we're going to add another 360. You can add those two if you want, and you should get get 91 degrees, and that's in quadrant 2 again. And I have a last one here what if you have 1275 degrees? And if I divide this by 360, that's approximately 3.54. And so basically, another good way to do it is you can just say your angle plus 360 times 3 degrees and solve that way. So that's your angle plus 1080, which equals 1275. We're putting that there. This is the more professional way to do it. And so your angle is going to be 195 degrees, and that's in quadrant 3. So, or you could just keep subtracting 360 3 times until you get it. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.